Lesson 18, the key of G major, the acciaccatura, and a new right-hand note, E. What is a key? Music is usually in a key, but what exactly does that mean? Put simply, a key is a set of notes that sound correct together. There are two main types of key, major and minor. Many of the tunes you have so far played in this book have been in the key of C major, which uses only the white notes on the piano or keyboard. In lesson 16, we played in the key of F major. The key of F major uses only white notes apart from the note B. So it uses these notes. So we don't have the note B in F major. In this lesson, we'll have some pieces in the key of G major. So pieces in the key of G major will be using these notes. So there won't be any Fs, there will be F sharps instead of F. Have a look at the PDF that accompanies this video, or the book if you're working from the book, and you'll see what the key signatures for C major, G major and F major look like when they're written on the page. An acciaccatura is a small note that appears just to the left of a normal size note. It's played very quickly, just before the main note that it precedes. When it's written down, it looks like a very small note with a little line through it. The next tune, Crush It, uses quite a few acciaccaturas. It's worth getting your fingers ready on both of the notes, the acciaccatura and the following note, before you start playing the acciaccatura. The next tune is Feeling Cold. There's a lot to think about here. Quite a lot of acciaccaturas. Most of the acciaccaturas are sharps, so black notes. And also there's an F sharp in the key signature, which means that any Fs should be played as F sharp. It's worth getting your fingers ready on the keys before you start. So your right hand ready here, even though it's not playing at the start. Now we're going to play a new note, E in the right hand, but a new E, this E that is a lot higher. So far you've been playing this E, which is two notes to the right of middle C. This one is one whole octave higher. The bonny banks of Loch Lomond.